Amazing All-Stars. Today is Monday, March 21st. Let's find out what is on our Number Corner calendar. Oh, we have to look at what happened over the weekend. Let's see what was on Saturday's card. Friday's had 11 o'clock. Wow, it moved from 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock. So it moved 1 whole hour. 1 whole hour. So now it's on 12 o'clock and we have, can you see that, friends? It says 12:30. So it moved 30 minutes in time from 12 o'clock to 12:30. Then we're going to see what is on today's card. We have, wow, 1 o'clock. So it moved from 12:30 until 1 o'clock. So it moved 30 more minutes. Very cool. Now we're going to add another day in school. Can you believe this? We've been in school now 125 days. That is incredible. 125 days. We have another group of 5 here. So I'll draw that line to show that we've made another group of 5. Save that. And then go to the next bit of information where we are now going to change this to show ways to make 125. So we had 125, the number word 125, 100 plus 25, and finally 50 plus 50 plus 25. We are then going to move on to our dimes, nickels, and pennies chart. We've collected a lot of coins over the month. Here we go. What will we see today? Oh, let's look at this carefully. For this one, we have 1 dime and 3 pennies. That's what we're adding to our collection. 1 dime and 3 pennies. 1, 2, 3. So this is how much we've collected. Do not forget, friends, I'm going to say this all month long. 1 penny is worth 1 cent. Nickels are worth 5 cents. And dimes are equal to 10 cents. Save that and add more to it throughout the rest of the week. Then I'm going to show one more way to make the number 10. That's what we've been doing a lot of this month. Let's see, and I'll pick a nice one. Oh, we don't have that one yet. We've had 9. We've had 8. But not the number that goes along with 8. Let's see, will that come up next? No. Oh, that's a nice juicy one there. 10 plus what equals 10? Ooh, 10 plus what equals 10? 10 plus 0. And then we could say 10 minus 10 equals 0. You can say those things. Very good. What I'd like you to do now, All-Stars, I'm going to take you to our next activity for the day. You are going to need to pull out your book that has blocks on top and a person made of shapes. Blocks on top and a person made of shapes. If you need to pause the video while you go get that book, please do so. And when you get it, please turn it to page 43. All right, my dears. Now that you have page 43, what we're going to do is focus on this. There are two kinds of clocks here. You're going to draw a line between the analog clock and the same clock that shows the same time on the digital clock. For example, if we were doing this together, which we will, we have 9:30 on this clock. The big hand's on the 6, the little hand is in between the 9 and the 10. So if we're working on this, what we have to do is actually draw a line from this clock that says 9:30 to the digital clock that says 9:30. Do you see a clock here that says 9:30? I do to you. Here we go. Here is that digital clock that says 9:30. Good job. Now we're going to look for a clock that says 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock here. And we found one here. And then I'd like you to work on the last two. You have to find a clock that says 2:30 and another clock that says 3 o'clock. Draw a line from that digital clock to that analog clock, please. Give you a moment to do that. And for the last part of the page, here's the challenge. Your job with this one is to actually draw the hands on the clock. I'll get you started with the first one here. The first one says draw hands on this clock that show 4:30. 4:30. Well, we know when it says 30 minutes after the hour, the big hand is on the 6. Okay, that was horrible. Big hand was on the 6. Now we need to show 4:30. Remember, when it says 4:30, the little hand is not on the 4. It is right in the middle. It's between the 4 and the 5. So this clock really does say 4:30 now. The big hand is pointing towards the 6 to show 30 minutes after the hour. And the little hand is halfway between the 4 and the 5. All stars, I'd like you to finish the last two clocks on this page, and I know you can do it. Off you go.